Hola estudiantes del mundo. Hoy les traigo Inglés para guías de museo. ¿Has organizado visitas guiadas a museos antes? ¿Y por qué no las haces en inglés? Ven y te muestro. Well, people, let's start this guided walking tour through one of the three most outstanding art galleries here in town. Please don't hesitate asking me any question you may have. This gallery was opened as such in 1985, but the original house was built back in 1700. In a set time, it was a forsaken, rundown house. The local government wanted to refurbish it at its best, even though it was a daunting task. And strange as it seems, it led to a marvelous discovery: heirloom. A lot of old armament, feathers and some other trinkets of the original owner and his family. When two bricklayers torn down a limestone wall, all that is displayed in ward number 1. The second ward contains, and I will dare to say, at 90% of the whole painting collection of the most renowned art painters in this country, Mr. So and so. In the third word are kept the paintings of the new artist. In the fourth one, we keep sculptures from different periods. Now let's get in word number 2. Here you will see different pieces of art. I want to stand out that during his career, he went through a wide range of different styles in his work, such as realism, like the one is shown in this picture over here. See in detail how he managed to capture all that suffering reflected in each character. In the next picture, obviously from the neo-impressionism period, he captures that very moment of this boy throwing a ball to his brother. Then we have two more pictures from the Cubism period. See the use of color here. It is amazing the way how they composing the figures without losing the message he wants to convey. All the emotions. Over here we got some self-portrait pictures. His work also covers some still life pictures, like the ones displayed over here. And here we have his most famous masterpiece. His greatness lies in his great capacity to use colors in such a way to capture emotions that he wanted each character represent. Now please follow me. Let's go to the third word, where we have gathered the work of a remarkable group of new artists. I want to remind you all that taking pictures in this site, it's not allowed. Right here we have the work of a new artist who is now using what he has named provoke saturation of color by using magnetic field. He has pulled off a new level of colors that look so striking and sharp. Unlike many others, his work is always made in super large formats. Now let's move forward to the fourth one. We have compiled sundry kind of sculptures. On your right you will observe some of them carved in marble. On your left we've got the ones made of bronze. These objects are made of copper, and the traditional ones made of wood. Our art gallery has gained notoriety since all these pieces were added to the art collection. Well, people, this is the end of this guided walking tour. Thank you for coming. Bueno, amigos, hasta aquí mi tutorial. Suscríbete, dale like. Nos vemos en una próxima oportunidad.